Hey guys, it's Maymay and welcome to another Stamp Club reveal. This one is for August of 2026 and it's our original club. I'm so excited about it. It's really, really cute and there's so much you can do with it. I cannot wait to show it to you. But first, are you a club member? If not, why not? Check out in the description below all about our club. It's super fun. It's a new, never before seen stamp set mailed to your door every month. Sylvie and I and the team all work together to bring you something new every month, something we try to be as fresh as possible, and we try to make stamp sets that really fill the gaps in your collections or give you something you can use a lot. And this is going to be one you can use a lot. As a club member, you get this guy at a discount. You don't pay shipping for him, and you get a discount in our store of 15% on most items that you purchase every day. So there you go. If you're interested, you can sign up below. All right, you ready for this? It's so, so cute. This one is called Captivated. Look at this cap. Now, I know you're thinking, I'm not a sports fan, or I don't necessarily do baseball or things like that, but I need to remind you of something. Caps are used in everyday life. Like, I started thinking about all the ways you could use one of these caps. You can use it for fishing. You can use it for hunting. You can use it for sports. You can use it for style. I have a friend who is known by her ball caps. Some of them are blingy and some of them are cheetah print and they're super cute. You can use them to show what you do for a living. Think about this, like if you're a delivery driver or if you work at a certain store or a certain place where you're required to wear a hat. There's so many different ways we can use a hat to personalize cards and gifts. Now, the other thing I did, I gave you these sentiments, but I didn't want them to be extremely masculine. I wanted them to be sentiments you could use for anybody. So let me tell you what they say. This one says, hats off to you. This one says, one of a kind. I'm your number one fan. The legend. And choose joy. Choose joy is so cute on a ball cap, and if you did it kind of blingy and dressed it up, I love that idea. Now you also get number and one. I'll show you how I use those in the sample in just a second. And then these cute little pieces here. This is a heart that has a stitch and then a star that has a stitch, so it looks like when you stamp it, it's stitched onto the little hat in some way. I love this one. I cannot wait to show you, but there's something I got to tell you. Now, you know all of our stamp sets come with free SVGs, and what an SVG does is it cuts the shape of the stamp so you can stamp on it without having a fussy cut. This is what an SVG does, and SVGs work with all of your electronic cutting machines. I don't know one that doesn't accept an SVG, so if you have an electronic cutting machine, a Cricut, a Silhouette, or some other brand, your brother Scan and Cut works with SVGs. I have videos on my channel talking to you about SVGs from decades ago, and they haven't really changed. So check out those videos if you have one of those machines. And I don't have a Silhouette. I just never had one, so I don't have a video on that, but I'm sure they're out there. Okay, so you always get a free SVG. You always get that one that I just showed you, but Sylvia made a bonus for you this time, and it is so cute. Let me bring it over. Sylvia made for you these little numbers. Now, can you get numbers? Sure. Can you, get them in design space and things like that? You absolutely can. But what Sylvia did was she sized these to fit these particular images. So if you see here, if you maybe have someone in your life whose number is 12 and you wanted to put 12 on their hat, or if you wanted to make this specific to a ball team or something like that, you can, because she sized these just to fit. And they're going to fit in both hats, so you can put numbers wherever you would like. I just thought that was kind of cool. And because you can cut them on your Cricut or whatever machine, you can cut them in any color and you can just really make them your own. Also, you can do an offset on these if you want a second layer, which would be cute too. All right, let's look at samples. So my first sample I think is so cute. This is an A9 card, and I made 3 ball caps here. I stamped them in different colors. I used the SVG, right? And you can see here, I used the SVG for the number 1. So I did number and 1 and popped those up on foam. This middle hat is popped up and these 2 are glued down. I love how this turned out. Now, I'm a little bit sad, okay? I had footage showing you that these also fit 1, 2, and 3, but my audio messed up, and so I no longer have that footage. So before I glued these down, I showed you that you could put a hat, a hat, a hat, and it's cute too. But I loved this kind of like thrown in the air hats, or either tossed on the table or something hats. I just thought this was super cute. So there's sample number 1. Now, you know I had to do it. You know I had to try this as a gift card holder because how perfect, right? For that person in your life that loves sports, that has a certain job, that wears a certain hat, maybe they're a hunter and you do this in bright orange and you give them like a Bass Pro Shop gift card or something like that. I think it would be so cute. And look how easy. And I did it on a little string so you could hang it on a package. Or you could put this on the front of a card. Just don't do the holes and don't do the strings, and this will still slide in and out. And I love it. And remember, I told you about those little stitched stars and heart. And then on the back, I did, I'm your number one fan. I love this little set. Now, I just did the 2 samples because tonight I'm going to be using this set in my Thursday night live show. So don't miss that too. You'll be able to see what I have planned for that. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this set as much as I do. I really think I'm going to get a lot of use out of this. What I want to do tonight is going to be super fun. Stick around to see that. If you are a member of our club or not, if you have this stamp set and you use it, there is a chance you could win a $50 gift card. And let me tell you how to do that. You just make a project using the stamp set. You post it to our customer gallery at maymaymadeit.com, and you could randomly be a winner for our $50 gift card. Now, you might have won last month's if you entered, so be sure to check the top line of the description of this video to see if you were the winner. Thanks so much for being a part of our club. This is a fun one. I think you're really going to get a lot of use out of it. I cannot wait to see what you do with it. And until next time, bye now.